Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely SEAT Ibiza in an absolutely amazing colour of rose gold. Never seen one that colour before. Fantastic, great specification. Alloy wheels, fantastic condition, drives lovely. Rear park distance control. Boot area's been kept well. It's got the rear parcel shelf. Interior in the back's all lovely. It's got electric windows. Carried on 52,717 miles. Just start the car up. Got USB and an aux. Got the full media pack on there, including satellite navigation, Bluetooth, my vehicle. I think it's got full link there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got active cruise control. Very rare on a small little car like this, so it keeps you within the distance of a vehicle without you having to keep looking. Air conditioning, auto headlights. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.